Hey, it's Kenneth Dolan. Just finished my morning workout with a head cold, which is when I do my best thinking. Speaking of thinking, I was just thinking that in August of this year, I will hit my 24th anniversary. I'm so blessed of a really rewarding and successful career as a professional photographer. And in that time, like a lot of photographers who are struggling will ask me questions. And what I've learned is that the things they think they need to work on are actually often the opposite of what they need to work on. They do not need another DIY lighting tutorial. They need to light with purpose and intentionality and storytelling. They don't need to spend more hours scrolling Instagram and Facebook, looking at the photographers they like and comparing themselves. That is not inspiration, that's comparison, and it will lead to feelings of insecurity and ultimately lead to failure. They don't need another workshop where they learn to copy the style of their instructor, because then they're just imitators, not innovators. They have no voice, and they don't need to spend more and more and more money on more and more and more gear that will not make them better. They need the opposite of all that, which is to step back and breathe and look at their work and ask about its purpose, its storytelling, its intentionality, and whether or not it is a revelation into the character and personalities of the people in their images. I hope that helps. I think it's really vital to step back from all that external stuff, to not come from the outside in, but rather the inside out when doing portraiture. Your job is to tell compelling human stories. You're going to get there by stepping back and breathing and asking yourself some important questions about what you want your images to do, and thoughtfully asking yourself how you can manifest those goals. So I really believe that strongly, and I really hope that helps.